No noise!
Eddie? Is that you?
No, wait. What are you doing out here?
I live down the street. What about you? You're looking official.
Thank you. I'm just a bodyguard. I mean, yeah, the people that lives here, and they're just kind of like worried about the ex is gonna show up, and
Oh.
yeah, they just want like someone to stay guard, and basically, I'm just a third party. You know what I mean? Yeah.
I'm really happy to see you, Eddie. Would you maybe want to catch up sometime?
Yeah, absolutely. There's actually a nice part down the way.
Oh, St. Glory. I love that part.
Yeah,
Okay, here's my number.
sure. Well, I'm excited.
Me too. Okay, I'm gonna text you later. Make sure you keep those exes at bay. Keep our women safe. The exes are. Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna go. I'll text you.
Yeah, well, see you later, Selena.
Bye.
Bye.
One is like a bean and one is a fruit. How does that even remotely taste the same? What have you done it? Is it because you're secretly a hoarder?
No, I actually pride myself on minimalism.
Then what is it?
I don't know. I don't think we're at that point of our relationship yet.
You've literally been to my house. But whatever it is, it's not going to change this. Or us. Like, what is it? Do you live in an urban area or something?
No, I don't live in the ghetto. It's just like, I'm private.
Look, I'm not getting any younger, and I eventually want a family. And if you're not willing to open up with me, then why should I waste my time?
Okay. Okay, give me a word.
Okay, what?
I'm gonna show you my apartment.
Really?
I mean, like now?
Yeah, why not?
Like, you wanna do it now?
Yeah. I mean, I'll give you a few minutes to clean up, but come on, let's do it. Come
Yeah. Yeah.
on. Relax, I'm not gonna move in or anything. This is nice.
Right?
Why are you having to see it?
Maybe I was just embarrassed, you know?
Of what? Being honest.
I mean,
What's that?
it's an old deal, man. Might be the pipe.
Sounds like it's coming through the wall. Do you have rats?
Yeah, tons of them. Yeah, it's just normal. Like, I already called the exterminator, but
What the hell is in there? Move. You have one too.